Okay, start.
Okay. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. The crafty ideas that create my mind. If you like it, share with friends and family. Thanks for watching.
These articles are created keeping in mind the trend and color of the season by the top designers. I hope you will like all these articles. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel, The Crafty Ideas. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you can never miss any updates from my channel. You can also comment if you have any suggestion for us to improve our channel and which video we should do next. Thanks for watching.